Oh my fucking god, are you kidding?
No,
Welcome to my channel. My name is Bicana. I'm sorry if you can hear echo. Well, I'm just gonna do this 5-minute 5 makeup challenge that Sarah did. Sacheu, I think, if I'm pronouncing it right. I know I've heard her say it before, but I always feel like I pronounce things wrong. But I'll put her name and everything, if I didn't already, on the screen or down below. So I'm gonna just jump right into it. I have my timer for 5 minutes. If you can see that, you'll see it when it gets bigger. And I have my 5 makeup products. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. If you see me looking down, my makeup products is right here. And if you see me looking straight past you, the mirror is right behind you. So 5 minutes has begun. So I'm gonna start off with my Pro Conceal LA Girl in Fawn. And I barely use any makeup. Not barely use, I barely wear any makeup, so I don't know. I feel like this is gonna be easy for me. I hope. Gonna put it over my little mouth, cause I got a little mustache, you know? Well, not mustache, but I got a little dark stash. So yeah. I started watching Sarah a while ago. I first came across her Kim K. No, I think it was some like of the plastic surgery videos, or either the Kim K makeup video. So I got my beauty blender. I just read it. I came across those videos and I really liked her. I started binge watching all her videos. Like when I come across people that I like, I binge watch. I like a light makeup look. That's what I normally go for, because I'm very basic and boring. But I'm trying so hard to experiment with makeup. We are currently at 3 minutes and 31 seconds. And yeah, like I say, I like a light makeup. I normally don't ever wear foundation. So I was kind of glad when she didn't put foundation on, especially since it's about to be hot. Who got time for foundation? MAC. I'm gonna use this MAC. It's called Blunt, and it's actually a powder blush, but I always use it to contour. I don't care what they say. This is just the perfect thing for me. I've had this for about a long ass time. And I really, oh my god, it's 2 minutes 52. This is harder than I thought. Yo, where did the time go? Where did those 3 minutes go? I don't know if this is looking good. I don't know if I look the same. I'm actually gonna put some on my little cheek area as well. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I'll put this thing anywhere and everywhere. Oh, also in my eye, just to give my eyes a little bit more color. So the next thing I'm gonna use is my eyeliner. We're currently at 2 minutes 8, 2 minutes 7, 2 minutes 6, whatever. I'm gonna come in real close. I can't really talk while doing eyeliner, but I find it super easy. To do. So we're at 1 minute and 39 seconds. And I'm about to, oh, I didn't sharpen this. Too late. This is a lip pencil. The eyeliner is from Black Radiance from like Walmart, Rite Aid, Target. You can find it anywhere. We're at 118. I wish I had sharpened this, cause it hurt. I've got time. But yeah, I really like her channel. I think she's very funny. And she also talked about things that I find very important. Like one time, like something race related. What I'm going to use now is some lip gloss from Victoria's Secret that I've had for about 50 years. And it's done, but I really wanted to use it for the purpose of this video. Because I really like the glow. Not the glow, the gloss. So I just got to squeeze it out on my finger. And apply it on my finger. But I also will put some. Oh my fucking god, are you kidding? See? That's what I get for being extra. Oh my god. I have 16 seconds to fix this. Oh. I was going, okay, you know what? I'm gonna make that shit dark over here too. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm done. Oh my god. So that was 5 minutes, a 5-minute makeup challenge, and
it allows me to,
oops, I don't know if it looks good to you guys. Maybe this lighting is kind of harsh. I fucked up so much on this lid because I tried to be extra with that raggedy ass lip gloss that I thought I like. I don't like you anymore. But I hope you guys like it. I hope it's cute. I hope it doesn't look busted in on the video, because it don't look that terrible. I kind of look washed out, I'm not gonna lie. My eyeliner could have been better, if you can if you can see that. This one's fine, but this one needs to be filled in. But if my friend was like, the house is burning down, you got 5 minutes to do your makeup and leave, I would have been cute running out the house. Okay, no, that was terrible. All right, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if this was a busted ass video. Let me know if you think I won the challenge or if I lost, or if you're just gonna stay quiet in the comments. Then yeah, bye. Oh, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll also leave the detail to anything that I can link below. So bye guys.